Thank you to click this video and enter in. I am Audinobotics. So today's video we are going to see a special video, so that is our unboxing of a new Arduino sensor kit. So please stay with me in this video till the last and let's unbox this together. This video is mainly for because today it's my channel birthday, so make sure you subscribe and like to this video for sure. So come on, let's go and unbox it. So here's a new kit, 37 in 1 sensor module kit. So they have given it in a very good box, so let's open and see what is inside. So first they have given a sheet of paper in which all the sensor names and what type of sensor are given in it. So there are totally 2 light cup sensors. So overall there is only 36 sensors, but because of 2 light cup sensors they are given as 37 in 1 kit. Okay, then followed by the first sensor, I think so. Oh, they have given a division like this, so I think we can remove if we want these divisions. So this is a very good idea. So divisions are very good. So our first sensor is the digital temperature, then followed by the small sound sensor, then our analog temperature sensor. Both the modules have the same kind of sensor in them, so it's very good. Followed by a rotatory encoder, and they have also given a nut with it to tighten it in our robot, and followed by IR sensor with an enable pin and 2 potentiometers in them to adjust it, and our big sound sensor, I think so. Yeah, it's an it's a big sound sensor with a potentiometer to adjust the sound wavelength. So let me place everything inside and take out our next one module. I think it's a touch module. Yeah, it's a touch module. Then followed by, I think it's an IR emitter, and here comes 2 light cup sensors with mercury inside them, and oh my god, let me place it properly. Yeah, so here's a tap module, and it has also got spring inside it. Then followed by laser module, and it's tiny and cute. And then followed by, oh, I think it's a heartbeat sensor. Then here comes our, oh come on, ball switch sensor. So it's a ball switch, not sensor, ball switch. Then this is a mini read. Then one, come on, so I think it's an hall magnet. Then DTH11 temperature sensor. Then it's so tiny, not even my finger size. Then with it they have also given a tilt sensor in it. Tilt sensor is also too good to use. Sorry, it was a shock sensor. Then this is our another temperature sensor. Then this is an IR receiver. Then followed by an button module. Actually it's a button switch. Then this one here is an passive buzzer, and it is used to give sounds. Followed by an light blocker. I don't know for actually what they use it, but I'll let you know. Then followed by, and what's inside that? Yeah, this is an also an hall magnet reader, and here comes our active buzzer with a cover on it. Then followed by an IR receiver, IR sensor. So same, but it has only 1 potentiometer and no enable pins in it, so it's small. And here is an RGB LED, and this one is a 2 color sensor LED. Only 2 colors will be there. Then here is a relay module, one of my favorite module, mostly used in IoT projects. And this is an joystick module, It works with potentiometer principles only. There will be 2 potentiometers in it, and they have also given a cap for it in the same box, so you can keep it and use it for your projects. They have also given a small button in this button switch. Then this one is an, I think so it's in 2 colors in LED only. Sorry, it was an some other LED. And this is also an reed switch, and followed by our another 2 color LED. And this one is LDR sensor, so everyone know it, I hope so. So the next one is the one in my right hand is an tilt switch, and this one already I show. Why I took it out now? Oh, here is it. So this one I was about to take, and this one is an digital IR receiver, so most of you know. And this is a SMD sized LED, RGB LED. So that's all in our 37-in-1 sensor kit. So let us close it. So that's all over here. So the one on the right side of my hand, so this one, it's a surprise for you guys. So in the end of the video I'll unbox it fully. So this is a male to male jumper wire, 40 male to male jumper wires. So let me open it. So it's very good. They have given a very good quality, and it is very satisfaction to hold it in hand like this, and it's so nice. So hope you can see it clearly. So a small zoom up view. And now let me take the female to female jumper wires. This is also given in a very good quality, and it's very nice. So let me open it first. It looks very nice from outside, I think. Yeah, it is same like the male to male jumper wire. So this one is also have been given in a very good quality. Good, but it will be not mostly used in many of the projects like male to male jumper wires and male to female jumper wires. Female to female is very least used jumper wires, but it will be also useful. So in that also I had 40. So here comes our most important one, female to male jumper wire. So in this also there are total of 40 nodes. So this one is also very good, same as the previous 2 wires. So that's all of wires. So here is a breadboard, a new breadboard which I bought now, and it has total of 60 rows and 8 columns, I think so. Sorry, 14 columns, and they have given a double tape below it. So don't stick it to your project, just try to screw or do something else. So here we come to our new most important part. So there is one sensor and 2 important modules. So let me take out the sensor first. So it's our ultrasonic sensor. Most of you know about this, used in many robotic projects. So it is a very good sensor. Then followed by our Wi-Fi module. So hope most of you know about this also. It can be programmed using our Arduino, So then finally here comes our HC05 Bluetooth module. So that's all for these kit videos. So let me try opening it. I think I should open it slowly only. Okay, thank you guys for watching with this video.